Welcome back. We're going to do the tube hanger now. Looks like it's another standard inch, so here we go. This one's out of aluminum 6061, which is a very popular aluminum used in manufacturing. So do file new standard IPT. Start a new 2D sketch. I like to start out on my XY plane. And let's minimize this so we can see our drawing. Tube hanger, here we go. First thing I do is I would put myself a 4-inch diameter. Okay, and looks like inside is a 3-inch diameter. Let's get that one put in. Sweet. Line going straight across. I really don't know where it's going to be honest with you. Well, I do know it's going to go over to 5 inches from the center, which that's good. We're right there at that quadrant. We're going to come up, it looks like, well, you got a radius of 1 inch, so you know that would be 2, because it'd be radius here, it'd be 2 down here, so we'll do 2. Coming across 1 inch. Let's see, come over to that. No, I really didn't need to do that. That was a silly move. So I want to take my line and I would go right here and I want to be tangent into this. See right there how it's catching that tangent little, y'all see that little symbol right there? Perfect. And trim out what I don't need and finish my sketch out now. Alright, I need to extrude this. I'm just going to extrude it truly. I'm just going to extrude it to 0.75 here. Start myself a new sketch on the face of this. I want to use a rectangle. Come all the way up there and just bring it over, or coming over, it looks to me like 1 inch. Finish sketch. I want to do a extrude of this. I want to bring it out 2 inches. Well, this is 0.75, so 2 minus that 0.75 would be 1.25 plus another inch here, which would be, I'd have been better off to put it on the very end of that. That's my bad. So I'm going to have a little bit more in the history than I want, but this is okay too. 0.75 plus 1 would be 1.75. The reason I'm going to go in here and just do like I did last time, create, modify, fillet, and that radius is 1, so I just hit 1, hit that, and hit that. That wasn't what I wanted. I got to hit that and hit that. Okay. See, that ended up, I had to fillet. If I'd done it from the other side, it would have been a whole lot less aggravation. If I'd done it from this side and brought it over, I could have done this and put the hole in it, with less history. But again, it doesn't matter. However you want to draw it up. I'm just going to go here and put this hole in. That hole is diameter of 1. Finish the sketch out, and then you have to do your extrude, do a cut, and of course, I'm just going to do, I'm not going to tell it all the way through. Yeah, I can do through all. I was just afraid it might hit that back there. Through all, it's fine. So it's looking good. Only thing now that you have to do is, there's a couple ways of doing this thing. I've got to be out here a little further. I want to show you guys a trick. Now, you could have made this larger and cut that out, or just done a new sketch on this one, draw it up, go the other side and do that. But check this out. You can go in here to work plane, offset from plane, and catch this flat surface and bring that out that depth whatever this is right here. 1.5, this is 0.75. So 0.75, 1.5 minus 0.75 is 0.75. Divide that by 2 is 0.375. Okay? And okay. See how that brought that out from that? So now, if you go in there and start you a new 2D sketch right on that plane right there, what you can do is first you can project geometry. What that does is if I turn that just a little bit so you can see, if I catch that circle, see how it brings it out there and puts it on the plane? And I can do the same thing with this, but I don't want to do that because it's not going to go all the way around. I need to go all the way around. So I just go in there and grab myself another circle and bring it all the way up to the top, or just hit 4. Hit the flat on that. And you kind of see what I'm doing now. Finishing the sketch. And when I go to extrude it, I can go back 1.5 and join it all together. Do y'all see that? And there's your part. And again, click on that. If you want to hide it, you just turn the visibility off and you can see it up here in your planes, or actually right here. It's turned off. Any questions on that one, just let me know. Also turn it, make sure that you change it to right click on it, go to iProperties and change that physical status to aluminum 6061. Apply, close. All right, if you have any questions, let me know.